Stop buying overpriced mascarpone cheese. I'm going to show you how to make delicious creamy mascarpone cheese at home with just 10 minutes of hands-on time for a fraction of the cost. All you need is some heavy cream, at least 35% fat, and a lemon. Pour a liter of cream into a small pot and clip on a thermometer. We're going to gently heat it up to 185 degrees Fahrenheit or 85 degrees Celsius while stirring regularly. You don't want to let it come up to a boil. Once it comes up to temperature, take it off the heat and stir in the lemon juice. Leave it to cool down to room temperature. The lemon juice will thicken the cream, starting to turn it into mascarpone cheese. Put a few layers of good quality paper towel or a coffee filter in a strainer set on top of a bowl and pour the cream on top. Don't use cheesecloth, the cream will just pour right through it. Cover it with plastic wrap and refrigerate overnight. The next morning, you'll have beautiful, thick, and creamy mascarpone cheese. Transfer that to an airtight container, and it should keep for up to a week in the fridge. It's perfect for any recipe that calls for mascarpone or cream cheese, but it's also amazing on toast. It's unsalted though, so it needs a sprinkle of salt, and some fresh cracked pepper wouldn't hurt either. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And if you want more pantry staples that blow store-bought out of the water, check out this playlist next.